It came from a book that I read during pandemic, so it's Atomic Habits. I believe that every little habits that you make in your daily routine would create a big impact in your life. So I decided to just name it Daily Habit. Actually, it's cool because daily habit, it sounds like addicting, right? Because it's daily habits. So it has a great impact in your customers because they would always think that, oh, daily habit, let's go to daily habit. So it's like it became a daily routine for our customers around. And we made sure that our quality of like food and drinks that we serve would really create an impact for them to feel that it's something that they should do it as daily, like a daily routine. So we get different types of customers. We got students, we have families, big groups, group of friends. It's a very diverse customers. We also get like working young entrepreneurs. They usually just stay here and work, and we put a lot of sockets around and fast Wi-Fi, just so they can have their our cafe as their place to work. We made sure that our place, like lighting, Wi-Fi, sockets, and of course like really good food and coffee and non-coffee, we provided all like in a way where they would feel they're like at home, and we made sure that our ingredients are fresh. Yeah. Not all are coffee drinkers, right? So we have this like idea of creating non-coffee that are so different from others in a way wherein I let my barista create their own drinks so that their creativity could be served, and it's their own creation. Banoffee pie is like, it's my favorite dessert. So one time I was just sitting in a coffee shop and I just thought that why not make a dessert turn into a drink? Because it's easier, you can walk and sipping it and you're already tasting it like a dessert. So we decided to create different dessert type drinks, but it's not too sweet. We made it like in a way where the sugar would not feel like you're eating something heavy. So it's light, and it's still a good combination. Like coffee and banana, for example, it goes well together. So that's why some of our drinks are created that way. Creme brulee, I love creme brulee. I lived in Europe before, so it's one of my favorite desserts, and I love making creme brulee. So I decided to put it out also in the menu. So it's like you're drinking something sweet, but also kind of just balanced. Butter cookie mocha is because it's like a lot of Filipinos, they love the cookie dough dessert. So we just invented like to taste it a bit of like cookie and coffee combined together. And it worked. All those dessert drinks were actually curated in a very, we custom it in a way where we feel that our target market would appreciate it. It was a random decision because I opened a cocktail on the other side and we had a rose syrup, so we just combined it with coffee, and we created like a little bit of coffee and florally taste, and it created this like really balanced flavor, and we just decided to put it out on the menu. I practice drinking just black coffee on a daily basis. But if I were to choose like a signature coffee, or like the coffee in my menu, I would choose the Banoffee pie because it has a special place in my heart since I just randomly thought of that idea and it worked out. It's coffee and banana together, so you can never go wrong with those two. are several factors, especially if you're a really coffee drinker. The date it was roasted, proper calibration. You really need to trust your baristas. So they really know what they're doing, and of course the beans that you're using. That's very important. It depends on every customer how they appreciate their cup of coffee. But for me, those are the several. Funny story, because I've been around in the Philippines looking for the best beans. So I was like in Cebu, Bohol. I was really sourcing like a good supplier for beans, and I found it in Manila apparently. So it's from Brazil, the beans, Brazil-Indonesian mix, but they locally roast it here in the Philippines. So it was like a 2-month search for the good beans, and I found the one. Yes, we never changed the beans because I feel like the customers really gave us positive feedback regarding our beans, and we didn't want to like change it and kind of like make them feel that the quality changes. I feel like when I started to open the restaurant cafe, I really tried to incorporate all of the travel ideas the countries I've lived in, the places I've traveled. I wanted to incorporate in my food and drinks, and through that, I want my customers or clients to feel that they're also been through those places and experience what I've experienced through food and coffee. So I think that's that's the main goal of Daily Habit. It's to bring those travels and flavors of the world, and when they try it, it's authentic and different.